This is the first one. This is the first one. Guys. Okay, so this is the Instagram / TikTok version, and it is clearly a fail. Look at this, watery. So let me do it my way. Alright guys, so what I did different was to use cold water instead of hot water, and look at that. So it started frap already. Guys, I don't know how much minutes has gone, but my hand them hurt me. The whole I'm looking, what you call it, whatever it is in my hands are more and I vibrate literally. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna continue because I want that whipped cream consistency. Like, this is still a little runny. I want, what you call them, peaks, stiff peaks. So when I go like this, they stand up. Yeah, that's what I'm going for. You see what I'm talking about? This is the consistency that I was looking for. See that? Yeah, so this is it. This is the end result. So I'm going to cup it. Okay, so this is the one with the hot water, and then this is the one that I use cold water. You see that? You see the difference? I'm going to try and see if I whip this one a little more, if it's going to come. So what I did was to put this one in the fridge and to cool it down to see if it's going to come like the one that I have that was used with cold water initially. The I word, I don't know if I can't pronounce words. God no, Maybe if I whip this little more, it could come like this one, but my hand is vibrating right now. So this is about it. I'm going to pour them over some soy milk, because I mean, I'm not lactose intolerant, but sometimes I am partially lactose intolerant, so I try to drink like soy milk or almond milk. So I don't drink full cow's milk, yeah, consistently, because my body funny. I don't know what's wrong. But anyways, that's it. Sorry about the background noise, guys. The better lighting is on the outside. Anyways, I've already tasted this one, so as you can see, it's drunk out. But let me try it again on camera. When I said good, this is good. Starbucks who? We don't know her. I'm trying to hide my girls. Alright, time for the second one. It is so good. Like, it's simple and very easy to make. Yeah, very easy. You guys should try it. Okay guys, thanks again for watching another video. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, please click on the notification bell so you can know when I upload a video. Then I'm gonna show you guys an actual video. Alright, see you guys. Bye.